Ivana.
Hi.
Is it pronounced Ivana?
No, Ivana.
Ivana.
Yeah, like you're angry.
Ivana. Ivana happens to be my dear friend and favorite student who loves to smile and describes everything with plenty of passion and excitement. See? She's come here all the way from, what?
Zazara.
There to try Asian food, humble abode. So we're happy to have her here and to host her. This is the first time that we're actually having an evening with.
It was so hard for him to host me here.
Why? You're the one who's always hungry.
Well, you're talking like it is. Like she had to be here and we had to bring her food. Like.
See, she's always hungry. Proved it.
I'm just
Decide
making
yourself.
a point.
She always has to make a point as well. Well, okay. Well, we'll give her some food and get her opinion on it.
What now?
See, but come on, like we're trying to, you know, make you look good, and you know, like you need to be excited. Give me a little bit more.
You don't have to make me look good.
Oh
I love
wow. Okay. Yeah, but
he's like telling.
Jesus Christ. Oh. Anyway, please enjoy. She's a really sweet and lovely girl.
I am. I don't see a problem.
Do you even know how to use chopsticks?
I'm trying to remember, but yeah.
Remember? Did you ever know? That's all.
I don't. Here.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Look
How
at
do you-
where
I
I'm
don't know.
holding them from. Like, look from the taller part. You know.
Why?
Because that's the way they're used.
Well, I'm not using it like that. I'm using it like this.
Okay.
Okay, here's your first dish. It's jjajangmyeon. This is black bean noodles with some tofu. So enjoy.
It's really good. This one is disputed between China and Korea. Koreans say it's Chinese, and Chinese say that everything is Chinese. Have you been to China before?
No.
Have you ever had like
Chinese food?
only-
Yeah, but
yeah.
this not Jaja. No, I like the name though.
Jaja?
Jaja.
It's catchy.
It's cute.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Jajang.
Yeah.
We're probably being really racist right now. Have you ever had black beans before?
But yeah, of course.
Man, you're lying. Okay, you go
Black
first.
beans.
Do you want me to go first?
Yeah.
Okay. So see, this is how you use chopsticks, Ivana.
Mhm.
No.
Now me.
Delicious as always.
It looks kinda nice.
You're gonna drop it.
I like it.
Oh, nice.
It's a little bit spicy. No?
Spicy? There's
No.
zero spice in that. I don't know. You're tasting the wrong thing. Okay, can you describe it, please?
It's really salty.
You might need to like stop eating in order to describe. Oh, you do you. Okay, I trust you. I like it.
It's kinda like I tried the sauce before they put it in the dish, and I wasn't really crazy about it because it tasted a little bit oily. But when you put it all together, it's not bad. I like it.
I didn't know that you could taste oil. Do you have oil very often? Just on its own, oh, it tastes really oily.
Well, it was because there was a lot of oil in that sauce, right?
Yeah.
So it was oily.
Okay.
Okay, this is your next dish. This is kimchi pancake or
Oh, I want
kimchi
to try
jjigae.
this. Like kimchi.
You eat it with your hands.
You probably want to try it with soy sauce.
Do I have to eat it with my hands? No, I'm not going to eat it with my hands.
You have to.
I don't have to.
You're disrespecting so many Asian people. Come on. I'm joking. Just have it with your chopstick. Almost had you though.
Yeah, but-
Okay, you go first.
Okay. Ugh.
Picked mine one up before she did.
This is a competition that I didn't.
I don't know. You made it into a competition.
I didn't.
Okay, you look like you're comfortable there. Any thoughts?
What is? I can't figure out which ingredients are in this.
Well, it's called a kimchi pancake. What do you think is in it?
Kimchi.
Okay.
And what
Well,
is
that's
kimchi?
one.
I don't know what's kimchi.
Can we have kimchi next, Brittany?
It's
Yes,
crunchy.
good.
Okay, good. Let me have mine. I actually enjoyed this.
Me too. This is kupus.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. It's cabbage. Pretty much a
Oh,
cabbage.
it's cool.
Okay, your next dish is kimchi. We have regular and spicy.
Okay, do you remember?
This is a whole paprika here.
Okay, let me
I'm
explain
going to die.
Okay.
I don't like spicy.
Yeah, okay. The pancake that we just had is made with this, just so you know.
Yeah,
Okay.
pupus.
Okay,
God, this...
try the spicy one first. Come on,
No, I
be a
don't.
man.
No.
Yeah, you make eye contact with the camera every time you try.
Yeah, this is also spicy.
Oh wow, you don't want to go anywhere near this
That
one
one's
then.
the regular one.
That one's the
I
regular
think I'm
one.
going to start crying.
Well,
want some
go
water?
on.
Yeah, please. Actually, do you have a glass of milk? Okay, I'm not ready. Oh.
Okay, so you think that one's spicy then?
I'm not ready.
Okay, I'll do it with you. It's not spicy.
Oh, yeah, here you goes.
How's the spice level on that?
Ah. Okay, I'm alive. Okay. Ah.
Do you want the paprika?
No.
Why not? Come on, you're already doing that. We'll have more milk.
No.
We'll have more milk.
I'm still feeling it. After that, I will probably
So out of 10,
die.
okay, which one do you like the most?
Out of these two?
Yeah. No, after
Everything.
the milk as well.
No, I actually like this one. That
Okay.
it's not spicy a lot.
But you said it was spicy.
Yeah, but it a little bit.
Okay.
But this is like a regular.
No, do you think people in Serbia would prefer that one?
Yes, but I think also Serbian actually like spicy food. A lot
Yeah.
of them, so I think they will like this one too.
How much do you like them?
This one an 8, and this one
An 11.
3.
Nah. Okay, well, let's go to the next one then.
Okay, so here's your next dish. This is bulgogi beef balls. It's sweet and savory.
It looks nice.
Have you ever had like Korean beef, like beef barbecue?
Never.
Okay.
How I don't know how to chop it.
Wow. All right, that's really respectful of Asian cultures. What do you think?
I'm not sure.
You could just say you don't like it. I wasn't expecting you to like anything today.
I mean, it's not bad, but it's strange.
Strange describe.
What's the spice in it?
White pepper, ginger.
Ginger, yeah, I don't like ginger. That's it.
Okay, so this one is a 10 for me. How about you?
For me, like 5.
Ooh, not
No,
bad.
so it's better than the spicy kimchi
I
then.
mean, I can eat it, but
Well, you can eat paper if you want.
that's so clever.
See, she's a really nice person. Okay, so you didn't like that one.
No.
Okay, here is the last dish. This is Thai pineapple rice with chicken and cashews.
From Thailand, are you excited? Have you ever been to Thailand?
Never.
With a spoon, not chopsticks. And you happy?
Yeah.
Okay. You go first, as always. Ladies first, even if they're not nice. Let me guess, no?
No, actually, I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
You didn't like bulgogi, but you like this.
Yes.
How?
I don't know.
Okay, well.
This one is cool.
What?
I like these spices.
It has
They're
ginger in it too.
Really?
Yes, it
But
does.
I don't feel it.
Wow, that has ginger. You're just a hypocrite. You've been lying for the whole time. You've been lying.
That's not nice.
You know what's not nice? You're just like picking and choosing. You're just like, oh, I don't like this, I don't like that.
I literally said that I didn't like one of 5 dishes that
No.
Made.
It's okay to not like them, but like,
They have similar elements, they have almost the same stuff, and you say that, oh, you like this one but not the other one.
I didn't like the spicy one, and I didn't like but the ginger was really,
Too much.
yeah, too much in the previous one.
okay, this one has a lot of ginger too, but okay. No,
Yeah,
I'll
but
take your word.
it also has a lot of different spices here. And I don't feel ginger. Ginger.
You're a lovely guest to have, Ivana, especially because of your honesty. So, okay, I'm glad that you didn't like most of the things that we
That's a
served
lie.
you. I feel like you're really grateful, so thank you for coming.